Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda CRV air conditioner filter. Begin by opening the glove box and lowering it to access the cabin filter housing, then remove the cover and pull out the old filter. Inspect the new filter for the airflow arrow, insert it correctly, replace the cover, and lift the glove box back into place. Finish by running the A/C to confirm improved airflow and reduced dust. Use simple tools like a Phillips screwdriver and a cloth to protect trim while you work, and keep the new cabin filter handy. Remove fasteners and panels carefully, noting clips and dampeners so you can reinstall them correctly. Choose a filter that fits and matches or improves filtration, confirm the airflow arrow direction, and avoid forcing panels back into place to prevent breakage and rattles during driving. Quick recommendation: try the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum to keep dust and pet hair from accumulating near vents after a filter change, with voice control and smart mapping for easy use. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and our future how-to tips. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Replace your cabin filter regularly to keep airflow steady and cabin air clean, especially if you drive on dusty roads. Look for weak A/C airflow, strange odors, or visible dirt as signs a change is needed. Replace around 12,000 to 15,000 miles or earlier. Keep a spare in the trunk, log replacement dates, and vacuum the housing before inserting the new filter to extend system life and reduce allergens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.